Ready to become a MacBook keyboard warrior and conquer your tasks with ease? I'm the CyberGuy, and let me share with you some of my favorite shortcuts that have upped my productivity game. First up, we have Command Spacebar. This magical combination opens up Spotlight Search, which is like having your very own personal assistant. With Spotlight, you can find files, launch apps, and even search the web without ever touching your mouse. Are you a screenshot fanatic? Then you're going to love Command-Shift-3. This shortcut captures your entire screen and saves it as an image file on your desktop. But if you only want to capture a portion of your screen, use Command-Shift-4 instead. Next on our list is Command-Tab. This shortcut is a game changer for anyone who loves to multitask. With Command+Tab, you can easily switch between open applications like a pro. Have you ever accidentally closed a tab in your web browser and oh my gosh, you wished you had an undo button for that? Well, my friend, you're in luck. Just press Command-Shift-T to reopen the last closed tab. Now, let's say that you're in a panic mode because an app froze or became unresponsive. What do? Don't worry, Command-Option-Escape is here to save the day. This is a shortcut that opens the Force Quit Applications window so you can force the app to quit and move on with your day. For more tips and tricks on how to make your life better, head to cyberguy.com and be sure to sign up for my free newsletter.